Hello friends, is your car acting weird? Features like power windows, cruise control or traction control not working? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0610, it means there's a control module vehicle options programming error. This can cause electronic features to malfunction or stop working completely. In this video, I'll explain what P0610 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0610? The P0610 code stands for Control Module Vehicle Options Programming Error. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is not correctly recognizing the programmed vehicle options. It can result from faulty software, wiring issues, or even a failing PCM. Common symptoms of P0610: check engine light, CEL, is on malfunctioning or disabled electronic features like traction control, ABS or cruise control. Incorrect vehicle settings displayed on the dashboard. Unresponsive control modules or communication errors. Difficulty starting the car in some cases. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0610, you need to check these key components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually found near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. This is the main computer that controls your engine and transmission functions. Body Control Module, BCM, and fuse box location, under the dashboard on the driver's side or inside the glove compartment. It manages vehicle features like lights, door locks, and traction control. obd2 port, for scanning and diagnosis. Location under the dashboard, driver's side, used for retrieving error codes and checking module communication. PCM wiring harness and ground connections location, runs between the PCM, BCM, fuse box and vehicle sensors. Loose or corroded connections can cause communication errors. Tip: if your vehicle's settings are randomly changing or sensors stop working, check the PCM and BCM first. Common causes of P0610: software corruption in the PCM or BCM. A failed software update can cause this error. Wiring harness issues, loose or corroded wiring can disrupt module communication. Failed Powertrain Control Module, PCM. A defective PCM may not recognize the vehicle options correctly. Low battery voltage or power supply issues. A weak battery can cause electrical miscommunication. Incorrect vehicle programming after repairs or module replacements. If the wrong firmware is installed, this error may appear. How to fix P0610? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0610 code and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the PCM and BCM wiring. Look for corroded, broken, or loose connectors. Step 3. Check the battery voltage and alternator output. Ensure stable power supply to all modules. Step 4. Update or reprogram the PCM software. A dealership or professional scanner may be required. Step 5. Reset the vehicle's control modules. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes, then reconnect. Step 6. Replace the PCM or BCM if necessary. If reprogramming doesn't fix the issue, a module replacement may be needed. Ignoring P0610 can lead to malfunctioning electronic features and loss of important vehicle functions. Fixing this issue ensures smooth operation, correct vehicle settings, and reliable electrical communication. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0474, Exhaust Pressure Sensor Intermittent. P0475, Exhaust Pressure Control Valve Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.